In this video, we are going to use the product, quotient, and power properties of logarithms in order to rewrite this expression as the sum or difference of logs. So let's get started. We have log base 2 of x to the power of 7 y over square root of z. Now remember we said if we have division, we can write it as log base 2 of the numerator, which is x to the power of 7 y, and then the division is going to become a minus sign once we split up the log. So it's going to be minus log base 2 of the denominator, which is the square root of z. So that's the first property using the quotient property. Now we're going to use the product property because inside this log base to x to the 7y, we have the product. We have x to the power 7 being multiplied by y. So we're going to rewrite this as log base 2 of x to the power 7. And then remember the multiplication became addition. So this multiplication right here is going to translate to the plus sign, and it's going to become plus log base 2 of y. We still have minus log base 2 of the square root of z. Now before I copy down the square root of z, let's just remember what the square root means. The square root means z to the power of a half. And the reason that I'm writing it this way is because remember, the last property is the power property, so I am going to be moving my powers down in the next step. Okay, so square root of z is that's the power of half. Now, in this step, we're going to move our powers down. So the 7 is going to be moved down, and I'm going to get 7 log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of y, there was no power there, minus, and here we have power half, so that's going to move down. So it's going to become half, and then log base 2 of